I listened at the wrong time.
I'm sorry, I didn't want to interrupt. I didn't, but I just wanted to ask you about your car because it looks cool.
This cat's gonna be YouTube famous. I'll pop my hood, but I ain't on it.
Oh no, okay. So apparently the owner didn't want to talk to us. He was like, I just did it all out of nowhere. So minus a play anyway. You got a 325i. I think this is a 93. Let's go see. The reason I wanted to get it on video was because I have a Porsche sitting, my Porsche 944 sitting right next, like I said, I believe an older BMW. And I just liked how it looked. I mean, they look good together, do they not? Like, I like how they look. Can I have help shutting your hood? Does it like slide up or what? I'm so confucked right now. Okay, so like, I wanted to just like do a video. This shit is a turtle, man. Like, hello. The anonymous Dave. That is so confusing. Actually, oh my. That hood is weird to actually do, and it's painted on the top, whereas this is an 87. It's topless. That's cool, man. Dry hair crew. We're at Home Depot right now, and we're grabbing some hardware. If you can look right here, Exhibit A. I wonder what we're putting this on. What could this possibly be going on today?
So we're just gonna go up to every single bolt and try and line up the hole.
Yep. In Home Depot. Yeah, they do. They sell them. In the back by the Hondas. Limited time only. The Home Depot spoiler.
Yeah.
So, we have to take the spoil.
You look smart. So blue.
Gotta take the spoiler back into Walmart. Oh shit, we're at
Really? Home Depot, but we're at Walmart.
No, we're not.
We're actually gonna just bring not even a whole ounce freaking thing.
Well, look at it. Look. Have it go like that. Loosen that, have it go down. Yep. It'll look real. Some will fit that. If you want to go fucking elbow grease into it. Because I mean, we're doing 300 sticky tape too. Right? This ain't coming off. We don't care.
Hey, that's just friggin'
It's gonna work, right? And we're putting others. Are we?
I'll put it on right now. Actually, honestly,
Why are we painting it?
I mean, I
It
didn't
looks
really,
sick.
It's literally so easy to take off, but we're not doing it right now. Oh. So if any,
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. That's a part 2 for sure.
I think it saved him like 12
We can already go through it because we already know the size of the boat, don't we?
We just got a match with that. It was a 1-4.
Yeah. Watch drill bits be completely different sizes. 7, 16, right, 25. Alright! Hello! Why would you yell? We dare. Fits.
So we're back, and so we've marked it. We've even scratched the paint to mark where the holes are gonna go. Right now, we're making sure we get all wires out.
You know
the
what?
way.
I say we just go with it.
Just go?
I don't think we're gonna.
No? Just go?
It's in the wire, probably varies. Watch
Alright.
us hit the
We're gonna
wire.
hopefully be coming right in the middle of it, like over here. Hopefully somewhere here and here, but this one isn't gonna get drilled. This one is, so
We're more worried about this wire right
yep.
here.
But
Because then that means I have no back windshield wiper.
I mean, you could get louvers.
I don't even use it anyways because of my stickers. The more I use it, it'll peel off my stickers, so I try not to even use it.
All right, well, let's get to drill.
How you guys feel about the drill? We need mine. Is that the same size?
But no, bigger, way bigger.
Yeah, way bigger.
Holy fuck, maybe 2-3 sizes.
Oh,
up.
we got 2 more sizes.
No, yeah, we got 2 sides right here.
Alright, let me
We're
get the
starting
next.
small.
So I wanted to be able to get through easy.
I mean,
Record.
Alright. I don't do it.
You can press pause.
Is this the next big
Yeah.
one?
Yep. There's enough lubricant to last you for 6 years. That's enough to fly. Oh, sorry. Okay. Part 2.
it ain't in all the way. Like gauge in your ears, I guess.
Alright.
Oh, that should not slip out.
That's good. Will reverse work still?
I'm sitting there drilling holes and shit, and all scared and shit, and I'm sitting here just smacking the pen, having the time of my life.
Good for
Could I
you.
get that back then?
I only did it like twice. I was talking to him the whole
We
time.
might have to even go bigger if we want the bolt to slide through. It's up
I
to you.
know.
Do you guys want to slide through?
Oh
Actually
shit,
slide
y'all
through?
got me in the YouTube video saying that
Yeah,
shit?
we
Get me
do.
on
Like a double
YouTube.
thing, have a
We do
double
that.
protection thing.
Yeah.
Hey, can you get me on YouTube?
Sure.
Get me on YouTube.
You know what? How to pause that shit?
So you do it.
It slides it up.
What the fuck do you want me to say? I don't know what the fuck to say.
I don't know what.
Are you? Say your name is Ali. Tell them what you know. Oh yeah. I'm the Palestinian prince up in this bitch. That's Dave. That's my dog right there. That's my dog. You know what I'm saying? That's Lucas. We call him Mint.
Yeah,
That's
mint.
Ethan. We call him Sticks.
Sticks. Why that?
Cause he's a skinny motherfucker.
Whoa! Yeah, he is. He look like SpongeBob over there. Health hazard. Oh my god. Are we still? Oh my god, it's so bright. Are we still up? How you feeling, Dave?
Huh?
How you feeling?
Feeling.
Day one since day one.
Hey yo, hit up my boy Dave.
Oh!
This ain't gonna work the way I want. I don't have a shallow. I only have a deep.
We'll thread that bitch in there.
That look good?
Oh, that looks perfect.
You want drill bit now?
Can I see in there?
Progress of a hole.
No, it broke before.
Y'all better fix that shit. Let's go.
Oh shit. That's a rat.
Well,
Alright, we're gonna go small drill bit. Drill to that one and just go over there.
oh. Say it again!
No, say it again. Listen.
Wait, what? What?
Listen.
What?
Go.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Is that another drill bit that's not?
Yeah, another drill bit.
Okay, these they have to be cheap. The second one just broke. Oh
There you go.
my god.
Keep them down.
Look,
We're just gonna go
God. Look at her touch.
Now I'm just going bigger since I already made the top hole. Hopefully the second one.
bro, if the big one breaks, throw them out.
We're going up to home.
No.
The trash cans are
That's where we got
right
them.
there.
Yeah, go up to Home Depot and be like, listen,
Listen, Biscuit,
yeah, biscuit.
I just
That's
done bought these done 10 minutes ago. Look at what happening.
Oh shit, she's a squirt. She ain't no creamer.
Creamer.
This ain't good.
I said that.
I don't even like chocolate. Guess what I like the cream. What?
It don't plug.
It don't what?
Plug it back in then, huh? Yeah. Y'all look close, bro. Y'all be scared. Oh, yeah.
So that's what counts.
Yep.
Hey,
Hang on.
It's not in there all the way. Put a strike counter. That's 2.
Oh, man. Just take away my window privileges.
Are you ready for this, Eric?
Don't
Yeah.
I don't think we're ready for that.
All right. So that part. Wait.
Hey, why's that hole look bigger than that hole?
Right.
She looks stretched out. She don't.
Ollie, the bolt went in. That's all that matters.
I know, motherfucker. I'm just saying, like, why is she all stretched out and she's like tight as can be? That bitch, that fucking that's that platinum pussy. That's that platinum pussy. That's that fucking hooker pussy right there. That's them fucking lot lizards.
Lot lizards?
My dad's a truck driver. He told me that lot lizards. He said there'd be a bunch of lot lizards in the fucking in the drive. That's weird. No, I'm being serious. Like, I start going to the truck with him. I see a couple lot lizards down there myself.
Damn.
I saw one bitch one suck me from the back. I ain't never had that. That's my guess, by the way.
I know.
Is that copyright?
Oh shit. No!
She's a queen.
Right there.
Yeah, go in there right, nice and slow. Leave the nuts hanging out. That's the nuts.
Ollie, give me some lubricant.
Yeah!
All the way around.
I'm all lubed up.
Damn, she's creaming. Shit, look at her. She's creaming all over the place, man. Shit, damn, she taking it off. G-spot. She taking that shit. Oh, go next G. Oh shit. Oh, leave the nuts hanging out. Come on, you 2-pump dump. Bang that bitch. Bang that bitch. There you go.
That was hard as
Up.
I almost hit this. I thought this was a thing.
Oh.
We just missed the fucking
Oh shit.
Where is it?
under here.
Oh damn, we was real close.
Oh my shit. See, Dave? That's what I told you.
Hey y'all, just make it a fucking bait. I fucking shank you.
Yeah.
That ain't no copyright. That's a fucking work. That
Real.
That's a truth.
You're 17.
Huh?
Shit.
Shit. What are you talking about?
Damn.
Fuck.
You underage?
What?